Good evening to my lecturer. My name is Thivyah Kannadasan. My ID number is 012022070449. I'm currently taking program of a BCM and the subject code is DCS20903. The subject name is a human computer interaction. Today I'm going to present the assignment 2. As a first of all, I'm going to explain about the introduction, which is a CAT application. The application is mainly for the medication reminder and tracking management app. And also the app is a medicine reminder app too, reminding apps for the patients to take their medicines and keep on tracking their medicine schedules and send alerts and text reminds also. And also these are the application is will be used, the user can be used to available for Apple iOS and Android devices too. And moreover, the application give alerts and tags on their phone if let's say the patient will not has taken the medicine, they have forgot the medicine to take. The application which automatically will give a alert to the patients and to the user also. The next is identify of the stakeholder for the CAT application. As a begin stakeholder for the medicine to remind care application is first of all patient is the main key holder because the patients are using the mobile application to access medical records and health diary and medical appointments too. And moreover, the medication track it make easier to user to keep reminder, and user can update their medicine details each every day in their application. And also, secondly, is a families or caregiver. For example, the family members can view the details of the patient's record from the application, and also the family members can update their details in the application too. And moreover, they can track it the medicine of details each every day by the applications. And then finally, physicals as a key role for the patients are receiver health cares and controlling healthcare details. And also the patients can access their record by utilizing and computerized physicals and view of a database of patients and prescriptions of a medicine in the digital way. And also the care ahead applications is customized to remind to help and stay track on users with their family and friends and doctors. And next, I'm going to move on the identify menu with the interface designs and interactive issues and problem screenshot. First and all is the home page. This is the home page for the medicine tracking applications. First, the application has don't have much more interaction. It's quite so simple too, and over there have not have logo applications and name also. And to the homepage is quietly look like less interactive, and the button of representing and calendars only the profile, which is poor interactions. And moreover, the user cannot view the in the homepage of daily medicine takings. And also, it's not providing not much more information regarding the medicine taking details and remind details, not much. It's quite so simple, and it's difficult to understand the application strategy for the users. And secondly, I'm going to move on inbox. inbox interface is the for the new users will not get not much notifications much more. It will quietly very less getting informations and notifications from the app. And also sometimes the user will be miss out of the medications to take, and also the update will not get much more, so it's chance to miss out the taking of medicines time to time. And also the for the reminding bell is appear reminding medications is from the app. It can the user cannot edit the reminder medications. It's very difficult to editing. For example, the user incorrectly incorrectly they are put it in details. For example, they can't edit the and they can't edit the reminding educations unless they are delete only. So it's make difficulty to user. And next is the add button. Okay, the add button is the you can view of the add button is so simple. The buttons are just click it hyperlink and it will came up the add buttons. So and also the user can add a medicines and applications provided colors. They got a few provided colors for medicines identified for the variety of medicines. Sometimes the medicines of a variety colors can't edit and can't they are edit also, because sometimes the button is not working. So it's make difficult to user to identify the medicines. Some because for example some of them are using this app is older people also using, so sometimes they are will confused to take different kind of medicines. And also the flow of a button is not like attractive and so simple. They are using so much of a hyperlink. And next is more to about is this is the final of the buttons. This button is for the users have to upgrade their membership. Have our application provided 3 types of offers. Basic plan is a full free, and family plan have to pay a monthly 66 ringgit 99 cents for 6 months, and caregiver 154.99 cents for 6 months. So most of the users are referred to be a free of applications. Some of our users not prefer to pay the applications because they are some also not don't like much more. For the but my doctor butter is the user can't edit the doctor's details as much as well, and also can't save in the application too. It's make irritating and also difficult to get to know. The finally is the solution for the overall of our interface is the purpose of solutions of a CAHAT application is the homepage make more interactions, make more creativity and attractive to the users. For example, the application can be allow user to be on and to make a simply reading text, viewing image, because mostly user prefer a simple website to read a less content also. The next is add a logo in the home page. Each every application logo, because each every application is representing the ideas and giving the identify of the application. So it's very important for the each every applications and website. And after that, in the homepage have to add daily of a medicine taking record, because some of the user can identify easily and can view the medicines of taking taking the medicine by recording. So the user can easily view the medicine of taking in the home page. So it's make us satisfied and it's make easier too. And also the medicine editing button. So have the editing the button. Suddenly the user want to edit a reminder or save the in the application. It's quite mentally help for the user. And also therefore change it button hyperlinks into, so in the interface look and good and be to prevent from the messy looks in the interface. And also creating new button to save adopted details and can save adopted details in the applications. And the purpose of uh, new design. mm, what is that? Okay. Okay, the purpose of new design is detailing and design principle to apply it a new design for looking application, which is a user friendly. For example, the new design to create with a user friendly and to describe the user easy to use and navigate in the application. Moreover, the medicine reminder app mostly is user older people using for the target. We apply user-friendly terms to the users, which is making more simple to navigate and more easy to their know. And secondly, navigation of menu applications, which is the different type of navigation easily, which is with the different pages and on the sides. And user of allow equal access to all the pages and direct them pages at the user choices. And finally, add some icons and symbols too. It's represented ideas and communications of a message, which ends we as a designers are giving interactive and draw attention to the users. And moreover, the icon can be viewed to become active and instant specific and improve user effective icons. The next of applications is uh, Merriam-Webster website, which is the American of our company publish reference books as a dictionary too. It's the oldest dictionary published in United States. And also this dictionary is for Android devices and the best of English reference educations and vocabulary building. And this Merriam-Webster website is got a new type of features, new word games, and it been learned to new words and vocabulary from everyone learners to total words. The identifier of our stakeholders for the Merriam-Webster applications is first and all students, because mostly the students will using e-dictionary. So to find the definitions to words for words, for example, now of the digital worlds, most of students are referring in the digital way websites of educations and learning. So same goes to e-dictionary. It's a pretty simple to find words and definition by smartphone with a simple click, simple touches. And next stakeholders is the teachers and lecturers. Of course, they have a role to using e-dictionary for the teaching and learning in the schools and college too. Some of schools of the teachers are using innovative and smart way of teaching, which is the manual text, audio, and audiovisual, and using grammar tags and dictionary constants important role in language learning in the digital way. So it's making a pretty easier to the students understand. And moreover, finally is parents. Of course, the parents is to teach the meanings of words to the childrens and to the daughters or son. For the it's helpful for children's learning new words with the fun quizzes and making a more interesting to learn their children. And therefore, identify menu with the interface design and interactive issues and problems for the Miriam websites. This is the first of all homepage. The homepage is quite bad, and that has a blue color and white color background also. It's not much attractive, but it's so simple. The homepage of a maritime websites is usually appealing and much more less to attract the user. And next is the poor icons, because the application didn't use much more icons in the websites. So, and the websites you can view from that images is not perfect size. It's look like a largest, and some of qualities is not catching eye viewers attentions, not attractive much more and beyond. The second one is the game and quizzes. Game and quizzes you can view from the interface. So it's a log construct of a layout, and the interface using too much pictures. You can see with side of texts didn't follow the correct layout, because every website have to follow the same layout, but it's look like messy a bit and too much of the messy, and user feels so hard to find something like buttons or something easily. So might be confused too. It's not suitable to use sometimes. And menu bar is a features of a games. There is has music, images, and typography a lot. So sometimes it's making confused to hard and to the users. The next is thirdly, terrace interface, since it's read a lot regularly, need to look through and find a comprehension. The readability issues UI, including content too much unreadable contents, long sentence, and it's look unnecessary information much more. So for the users, they are look a simple website and less content. So it's make a pretty perfect to understand, and the organization of image is very poor, and the sum of images is look like a bigger, and it's not full of the size of images. Certain is look like in different size, certain it's look like small. So it's make that users to eye catch up, and it's not comfortable also, the viewing of a different sizes at the same time. The next is a features. Features is a fourthly, the content's not occurring in each every content in different content. The navigation informations, there got a lot of informations in mind. It confused, and information according can't help them easily, and less effective information too. And moreover, the user have to scroll down and read a more information. Sometimes user have feel they have to see the information from the top and easily. So some of them are lazy to scroll down the read informations. And finally is the word of the interface. Okay, you can view from this, there is too much texts and giving communicated information too much. And sometimes the user feel overwhelmed reading to lot of read texts. And they feel like boring and then feel like something not comfortable, and some of them not interested to read too much. They prefer a lot of contents in the point form. And the solutions of the purpose of Merriam-Webster is to change the color. First of all, the change background color. So giving a blinding combinations of color, gradients, gradient, and make moderns and visual appearance something different. And also one of the add values, gradient values, and sometimes blinding shades and same rule completely colors. Next is the icons. Add more icons because is in the application is a very icons. So easy to identify the icons and easy to read also, and recognition and their simplicities and metaphoricities. Their construct of a layer, that is a very important for the each every website construct, make a clear and perfect. So navigation can add the website define of a content hierarchy, make user to easily. The content make the content very less because easier to read the users, and correct make a correction of the image sizes to perfect every images same sizes, because some of them are bigger, some of them less. It make user high high painting and not comfortable to view the website. And finally is the words of paragraph make it into a point form and shorter content with the look perfect and prevent overwhelming reading also. The purpose of new design is the details of basic principle to apply a new design looking for applications is, and the first in new design solid color and construct and color make attractive view the interface make eye catches to the users, and this add imagery increase a visual aspect to for the images to communicate with the users and giving informations to the users regarding the website visual, and also the pattern of a reading interface to create a perfect in pattern. The user can eye tracking as studies are most suitable to top and left areas of the interface. The finally is the visual hierarchy, the element of the typography sizes to hedges and resolutions of the interface make it a perfect and suitable to view, and also the visual is feel to comfortable to the users, uh, and redesigning with the new interface and any suitable tool. Um, the finally is the conclusions. The conclusion from this assignment is we took a two application reference, which is a CareHead application and Merriam-Webster e-dictionary applications. Both we can differentiate of the interface in very detailedly and clearly. So, and also it's make a reference to create a new interface from the both of applications. And also as design, we are proven interface and apply a lot of basic principles and new designs. And the design which is mildly helpful for the users and giving a knowledge and of interface. And also the interface can communicate users so easily giving information to the users. And also this our new application is make save time easily and using by digital applications. The finally is the reflections. The reflections from this assignment too, I learned how to identify the design interfaces, basic principle of designs, and informations give me a lot of ideas, which is from the interface and interface balance, construct, scale, and more. From the UX designs as a person, as a future UX designer, I mainly have ideas how to solve user problems and identify what are the problems in the interface. And also, I can learn it from the application more details about the features, variation designs, and visual applications and more. And I can differentiate from the visual representing from the computer screening application and smartphone applications. There are different type of screening viewers, so I can differentiate of the size. And moreover, there are also processing of a user performance interactions, improving aesthetic pictures and background to apply the designs. So I can learn the basic designs of the from the UX and UI. And besides that, I can view the different of translate and different formats of the applications, different types of finally the experience of application designs, how to improve into the visual. That's all for me. Thank you, madam.
Hello, my name is Piraveen. So today I'm going to explain about redesign the new interface. So this is mobile application for title of Care 8. The first one is home page, the second news page, and the next thing is educational material. So in this app, I change the color of the app to be attractive and simple, and design include more icon than word, so people will understand picture more than the word. So on top, bottom of the title, there is a search bar to make simple search, and under the icon they have the text shows what meaning of the icon, and the two white boxes are the news related to the medical education. So we have at the bottom of the app we have four icons users can interact. The first one is home, second news, third is education, and fourth is events. So the first thing is the first icon is the home page, the second icon is the news page, the third icon is the educational material page, and then the third is events related to the medical. So in the education material page have option to share and download the article. So the three boxes under the two long boxes, there is a download and share button, and then you can even comment about the education material. So in the news page, it have many pictures related to the news, and bottom of the app related to the news. So every news there is, every article there is, there's a picture related to the article, and you can interact with that news. So we move on to website online interactive application. So we chose Merriam Webster. It's a dictionary, online dictionary. So this is the first thing is the main page. So there's three line for the user to choose what they are looking for. So this is the three line, and if you users can interact with it, and they can choose the category of what they are searching for. So the search bar is simple and easier to explore. Is on top of the two boxes, grammar and translate. So on the right side of the website, it contains a quiz for entertain the users. So this is the quiz box. So before they search for their needs, they can interact with the quiz box to entertain themselves. So the second page is the grammar page. The top side of the page is almost same as the main page. So the difference is there is a big box middle of the website, and they can interact with what they want to search. Example, adjective and adverbs using English or verbs. So this same every page there has a quiz related to the page they're exploring, so they can entertain themselves. The last page is the translator. So they have two different boxes. One box is for what users need to type, and then the second box is the translate version of they search for it. So it has one language into another language. In the blue box, user can choose the language they prefer, and another blue box is another language they translate. So the on top the writing box there's a blue box. They can choose languages. There's many languages. So the another blue box is the language they need tra- they need to be translated. So that's it. So I'm going to talk about the reflection. In assignment 2, I learned how to differentiate between bad website and good website. So design is very important because I effect to user flexibility. It gives me a lot of design ideas, and it made me think out of the box. It gives me knowledge about user problem and solution. Website and apps are different element, and I learned how to design with a good user friendly UI. So the resolution between website and app is challenged a bit, but after little bit study and research, I can manage to make simple and useful design for the users. The board of references of application had a lot of different type of interaction. Thank you. That's all for me.